Hello everybody, welcome to I will be presenting you on a project called Limousines in PNR. Limousines, in today's travel industry, we are trying to, customers are moving more ahead than having air services, rail and hotel services. Today, there are many private vendors which provide many services to the customers, and it's time for now GDSs to tap on this emerging markets. One such service we identified is the limousine services which are currently being provided to the customers by various private vendors. To include these services into our TPF system, we have initiated a creation of a new auxiliary segment which is called as BAS Type 12, or in technical terms which is called as BAS Type C. Here we provide you the structure of our BAS Type 12. The BAS Type 12 contains all the generic information like the board point, off point, travel time, arrival time, departure date, and other general information. Along with the BAS Type 12, we have an extended BAS for the same, which contains the details which has to be displayed to the customer, and these are called the displayable lines to the user, and it's always what is represented on the face of the PNR to the user. The other major advantage of this project was the integration of the TPF system with the open system. Herein, all the data, inventory, availability resides within the open system, and the TPF system interacts with the open system via a middleware called as TRIP data services. Thus, the TRIP becomes a middleware between the TPF system and the open system. The entire concept of keeping more of our details within the open system and keeping the minimal details of the limousine on the TPF system is called as the product anchor. Here he has shown me an example of how the limousine would be looking on the face of the PNR. Where in this we have an inventory which shows limousine services going from Bombay to Rajasthan on a particular date. This is what has been displayed on the PNR service. This high-level system architecture includes an agent-initiated entry from the TPF system which is going to the open system, where in open system we confirm the availability and the inventory for a particular request by the agent. The open system confirms it and sends the details via the TRIP services to the TPF system. The TRIP basically acts as a middleware of conversion between the TPF and the open system. Now coming to the benefits of this project. The major advantage of the project is it takes all the best from the TPF system and the open system. Like in a TPF system provides faster responses and it is highly scalable, whereas our open system is more flexible and it's much cheaper as compared to our TPF system. And this project also has the scope of expanding, wherein we can provide new customers to arrive and tap those markets which are emerging. Like if in case we have new services, like we have identified limousine, in future if we have services coming like courier services which you want to use part of the GDSs, we can still expand our BAS Type 12. Thank you from my side.